Is Hulu stuck in an endless loading loop, threatening to derail your binge-watching session? Don't panic, because in this video, we're diving into quick and easy fixes to get you back to streaming seamlessly. First, let's check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is the most common culprit behind loading errors. Run a speed test on your phone or computer to make sure you're getting the speeds you pay for. If your speed is lower than expected, try restarting your router and modem by unplugging them for 30 seconds, then plugging them back in. Next up, clear the cache and cookies in your Hulu app. This removes temporary files that can sometimes cause glitches. The location of these settings varies depending on your device, but it's usually found in the app settings or storage section. Clear both the cache and data. Don't worry, clearing data just means you'll have to sign back in. Make sure you're running the latest version of the Hulu app. Outdated apps can have bugs that cause loading problems. Head to your device's app store, search for Hulu, and tap Update if there's a new version available. If it is updated, try uninstalling it and reinstalling the app. A simple restart can often work wonders. Power cycle your device completely. Whether it's a smart TV, streaming device, phone, or tablet, turn it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This can clear any temporary software issues that might be interfering with Hulu. If you've tried all of these steps and you're still having trouble, it's time to contact Hulu support. They have a dedicated team that can help you troubleshoot more complex issues. You can find their contact information on the Hulu website or in the app's help section. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix most Hulu loading errors and get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies uninterrupted. If this video helped, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.